Mahalo ke akua, kahuli au pono. Hanu means to inhale and ha means to exhale. Hanu, ha. Again, hanu and ha. Take in every single feeling, because these are the moments that will bring you back to this exact space. At this time, I'd like to give honor and thanks to those that walked before us. Your dad, Donald, is here with you, holding your hand, Char. They're here, and so is your parents. Their spirits are here with you, strong and fierce. Take another deep breath in, Hanu, and Ha. You may open your eyes.
Coastline calls my name like a spirit in the dark, running from my pain, and I wonder where you are.
Randy Craig Miller. When you reached out to me years ago to see how I was doing, I was starting over again. I was ready to do life alone. Little did I know that you were about to show me how beautiful life can truly be. Randy, my love, I vow to trust you, and you can trust me every day of your life, to love you and care for you and be your best friend. And I promise I'll never quit on you. I love you with all my heart and soul.
Running from my pain.
That's beautiful.
And I wonder where you are.
I don't have a book.
That's okay.
I don't have footnotes, cliff notes. All I have is my heart. I've loved you my whole life. Before I ever knew you, I loved you. You showed me that there is somebody out there that does love unconditionally. And if somebody comes from a beautiful family, that makes them a beautiful person. And you are the most beautiful person I've ever met in my whole life. And it gives me great humility to ask you, will you be my wife for the rest of my life? I love you, Char Adams.
I love you so much.
You're the sunlight on my face, a shadow on the lake, where I go to hide away. You're a fix that helps the ache in the shadow of the waves, and always been the same. You find a way to ease the pain.
My God, you're exquisite. God. Jesus. You're unbelievable. It's like Beauty and the Beast. Can't even tell you how you look. It's fucking indescribable. Will you marry me?
I will. Let's do this.
Let's do this now.
You're the sunlight on my face, a shadow on the lake, where I go to hide away. You're a fix that helps the ache in the shadow of the waves, and always been the same. Find a way to ease the pain.
Pronounce you husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Miller. You may honey your bride.